Hello everyone. I am Carl Nunag from BSN1 and today we will explain molecule of life, specifically the most common elements found in our body. And the first one is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, or we can simply call it as John. So, think of John as the building blocks of the human body. Just like a house is built using bricks, our body is built using these four elements. So, napakalaga po talaga ang pagkakaroon ng tiyon sa ating katawan at ang common element na binubuo nito ay ang carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. At pwede natin itong tawagin na tiyon. Napakahalaga ng tiyon kasi ang tiyon ay ang nagbibuild ng structure upang mag-function sa ating katawan. And let's start with carbon. Magsisimula po muna tayo sa carbon. Ang carbon po is like the backbone of every living thing. It forms the main structure of the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and DNA. Without carbon, our body would not be able to build cells or tissue. Simple example. Imagine carbon as the frame of the house. Without the frame, the house cannot stand. So, ang carbon daw po ay ito po yung pinaka-backbone ng ating pangangatawan. Kumbaga po, ito po ang ating structure sa ating katawan. So, ang carbon daw po ay binubuo ng carbohydrates, protein, fats, and DNA. At without carbon in our body, hindi tayo makapag-build na tinatawag nating cells or tissue. Tapos, ang sunod naman po natin ay hydrogen. Ang hydrogen naman po is mostly found in water, and since our body is about 60% water or 70%, ang hydrogen daw po ay napaka-importante kasi tinutulungan po tayo nito mag-produce ng energy and keeps our body hydrated. Kung wala po tayong hydrogen sa ating katawan or kakaunti ang ating hydrogen sa katawan, parang parang dehydrated po tayo. Tapos, ang simple explanation naman po nito ay think of hydrogen as part of the fuel that keeps your body engine running. Kumbaga, ang hydrogen daw po ay ito po ang nagpapagana sa ating mga pangangatawan. Kung wala tayong hydrogen sa ating pangangatawan, ay hindi tayo makagalaw or kung ano man ang gusto natin gawin. Tapos, let's talk about naman po sa oxygen, ang pangatlo sa common elements in our body. We breathe oxygen every day because our cells use it to produce energy from the food we eat. Oxygen is also a major part of water. Without oxygen, our cells cannot make enough energy and we would not survive kung wala po tayong oxygen. Pero bago nga po tayo magsimula sa doon, parang ang oxygen po ay ito po talaga yung isa sa mga pinakamahalaga na kinakailangan natin bilang tao. Kasi kung walang oxygen, ang mga tao ay hindi makakahinga. At ang cells naman po natin ay hindi po makakapag-make ng enough energy and hindi po tayo makapag-survive kung wala po tayong oxygen. At ang simpleng explanation naman po dito or simple example po ay ang oxygen ay parang electricity sa bahay natin. Without electricity, your appliances won't work. At ang pang-apat naman po natin ay ang tinatawag nating nitrogen. And lastly, we have nitrogen. Nitrogen is found in proteins and DNA. Ang protein ay nag-help mag-build ng muscle, repair damaged tissue, and make enzymes. DNA contains the instruction that tell our body how to grow and function. Simple example. Nitrogen is like the instruction manual that tells the body what to do. At ang pinakahuli naman po ay kung bakit nga po ba napakahalaga ng tiyon. When these four elements combine, they form the four major biomolecules. The first one is carbohydrates. It give us energy. Lipids or fats. It store energy and protect organs. And third is protein. It build and repair body tissues. And nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. It stores and passes the genetic and information. Without yun, none of these biomolecules could exist. Sa real life application naman po, ginagamit po natin ang chon every single day. Kapag kumakain po tayo ng rice, bread, meat, eggs, fruits, and pinahuli ay vegetable. Kapag kinakain po natin ng mga to, ay nakakuha po tayo ng nutrients sa mga elementong ito. At kapag humihinga naman po tayo, umiinom ng tubig, nag-exercise, or our body repairs a wound, chon is involved. That's why eating healthy food and breathing clean air help keep our bodies healthy. To summarize po, ang chon po ay nag-stand po sa carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These four elements are the building blocks of life because they make up the biomolecules our body needs to grow. It produces energy, repair itself, and stay alive. And thank you for listening. That's all.